Pakipaliwanag nga po, sir. Ano po yung nagtulak sa AFP na imbestigahan itong rally sa People Power Monument? Bakit ninyo po nasabi na unusual yung logistics at financial support na nakuha ng grupo para mag-rally?
Yes, una sa lahat, Cheryl, the AFP looks at all possible areas na kung saan posible maging threat sa ating bansa. Hindi lamang isang rally. And we narrow down, we focus on areas na upcoming na malalapit na. And for this particular rally, ito ay sumabay sa rally sa Luneta ng isang malaking grupo. And if you notice, we noticed that the way it was planned, on short notice, ang unang nagpaalam ay yung malaking religious group doon sa Luneta. Ito ay sumabay lamang. They were supposed to have been scheduled for the 30th. And then sumabay sila sa rally ng Luneta. And then it was well organized. Behind that, of course, to be organized, you need funds. If you look at the way it was conducted, may stage, marami silang mga admin equipment o ancillary equipment, portalets, etc. Merong air-conditioned tent. Merong catering service. Hindi ka makakita ng rally, supposedly, different groups ito. Hindi, unlike sa Luneta, was one big organized group. Ito, different groups. Sino ngayon ang napapatakbo nito? May catering service ka na hindi pangkaraniwan. Hindi naman yung normal na everyday fast food natin. So all of this, we are looking at everything. Hindi natin sinasabi na meron na yung mali. But again, as part of the stand of the AFP, we are looking at everything to see kung saan tayo pwedeng magkaroon ng problema.